Hello guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. This Naya baby Ashanti Nikki in the building. On this our channel we talk about love, friendship and relationships. I want to thank everybody who don't subscribe for this channel. We don't like this channel. Atuale for una, as una place day. I love una back to back. Yes, my people, I love una back to back. Waiting again if I not give una shout out. And for people that never say subscribe, please una help una sister. Una subscribe, una like the video. One hand the tie bundle, na lie. One hand the tie bundle, na help una sister make it climb the ladder too. Waiting again for some Kumba people them day. I be Kumba second daughter, already get first daughter. Na know as it play. Okay, today I don't come again with another brakata this afternoon. For this our channel, talk about love, friendship, and relationship. Some girls they deserve wait they deserve a more. Yes, today I didn't forget their back. I pin for one too. But on to don't too much. So they go the disgrace we move grave cap, move shoe for foot. When you no love paddy man, no chop ido. When you no love paddy man, no chop ido. So they go to talk, go to talk say, hey, now before he may give me money, now me I be pressing neck may give me the money. He give me that for a likeness. You take the money as who? You be his sister, you be his mommy, you be his relative, or you be one of the workers. You know how that party man don't stress before he get that dough. Where they can't give you more, where they can't give you. So they don't come and talk say that's on loss. When person don't sorry you give something as on loss. You take the money, you take her as who? You think waiting for your mind. You check na her. Say you over there na day. You over there na day. If you not love for the man money, not chopping money. My big, if you not love for the man, not chopping money, sorry. My big mommy don't tell me say, if you not say no like man, not chop it 25. Of course, I like when I know what that like mean. That kind like way, anyhow. Yes, you must agree. For anyhow way, any style you must accept. Yes. If you don't like paddy man for that extent, no chop it though. You know how it take work that though. You know the stress where he pass through before he raise that though. When you want just chop and go stay the mix and before he may give me the money. You will chop the money as who? Now you worker them. Or now you be one of your worker. But if you say maybe you don't give na small tips, you be overwork fine, they don't pay you, they don't appreciate you. That's what you think. I dey review now, men them now woke up. All we get to use our number 6. You should add a number 10 safe. Get to activate a medulla all the time. All we don't woke up for slumber, no man in them again. That time don't pass. For party get where he love you. First day for dates. You ask it out for a date for first day. He go come in one. He go come in one. When you see he come with the battalions, no say he no love you. I dey review now. No say he no love you. When you want to do anyhow, say may you just take him that kind of way because you don't want to discuss it for that first day. Second day, give you a try again. When Izzy come with that battalions, tell you say, Mom, I don't postpone my birthday. Because that battalions you can only when party day. Person go ask you out for job for a date. One day, first day we meet other person. You don't come with friends. For can extract. Na raw material ide. The party man are raw material. Tell you say, boy, baby, I don't postpone that birthday. When I go make come mama, I'll tell you the day with the birthday day, you come with your battalions. That's why they work and accompany them. Shame someone day them. And maybe if you dispatch them for that place, maybe 25 for climb Okada no go day. That's why they go to wander for up and down, left and right. The early man in search of food and shelter. And the party get there again, and so they go be very extravagant. If they come say the one can chop, you go chop fish, you chop soya, you chop pili pili, you chop kanda sauce. For party man wey you love, you no go ever do that kind of thing for you. You no go gree. So tell a friend go wan take this say where my both money no dey more be tomorrow no be I no be chop day house. We will reach house we will chop. If chop no day house, you tell say chop day house we go chop for house. Because you know want make a party man spend because he love you. You carry go for maybe don't explain for you say phone no day. If phone don't spoil, you say don't say phone don't spoil. You sorry. Say me carry go, me go buy phone. You go choose phone way. If you are next generation, you know if you buy that phone. Now because you no love you, now need for wise men. Get up. Now wise. You go choose expensive phone. When even he can it be now for the next generation. You no go fit for raise that money for buy that phone. Now I want use them. Chop for house no day. But you want come cripple different person. They say you over there. Slave queen. You look the phone where you want take them. It's that way be use them. Mammy. Difference from Kumba to on our two sides by foot. Very long distance. They from Kumba to Yaoundé. Not be today go buy them if you ever buy their phone. Even if you keep it so go die only no ever use that kind of phone. Then na the kind of phone where go want me you buy am for you. Now party get that way no love you. Another one too na say, he go talk say, you give money, say, you give maybe 3,000, may go buy me a cook. You talk say, no fit for manage 3,000, you are small. 3,000 na how much? I don't want to go ache my head. I don't want to stress me, yeah. I will cook na half for 3,000, or buy meat na how much? I go buy tomato na how much? Cannot oil. I don't know me how they manage, yeah. No take the money, mo go chop for road. Chop for road there tomorrow, the party man do her. When I become in a stay, you no care. Men una wise. Na so then they. You go ever call you now, and then when he need something, maybe hungry the do it. Slave queen, how far, how market. You go to call you only when he need something. On normal circumstances, if he call you when he dey fine, when he enjoy, when he get enough fit, he need to call you. When he want call you now, only for you say, where I be my gas will finish ya. Hello, I be see on this way I will advance and for you. I want ask her if he come and go show you the place so that may finish that money for that grand sale. Now so then they. When I get up, when I wise, they are demand them, they never ever finish. They never ever be satisfied. I like the one, I like all team of Yango market. So men una wise. Ladies, if you don't like party man, not chop it though. Because when you disgrace for all star, you deserve them. And there is disgrace for any style. So na all man, na all party man the shame no. No have that mafia go guide yes. Today so for that shoe for your foot move and give me. You must move am. You want talk say waiting. Maybe na good man. No go to run wise. Better you walk naked. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching my video. We have come to the end of this video. So I go see you now for the next video. I just say my come up with this small thing for the afternoon. Love you guys back to back. For any man we know I subscribe, I beg. Now help una sister subscribe, share the video. Don't forget for like. Bye bye.